Gruyere Gold Mine is the biggest new gold project being built within Australia today.
The thing that's really great about this place is that the management team are so approachable. You can talk to anyone about anything. There's no us versus them. It's just fantastic.
We've been a working couple all this time, and one of the things that we both love about Gruyere is that this is very acceptable. It's a very family-friendly environment.
It's a really good place to work. Everybody around here is really helpful, and yeah, I'm proud to be part of the team.
Our management team listens to our employees. One of the key reasons why we'd encourage you to come and work for us.
Join the team, I'd get on the website and have a bit of a look because it's a really good place to work.